To install GCam on a Samsung phone, open Google and type GCam APK. Then open the first GCam link and tap on Download. Scroll down and tap on Google Camera. Then scroll down again and download the APK according to your phone model. I selected the latest version. Tap on Download anyway. Then go to your Downloads folder and install the APK. If your phone shows an error, simply press Decline and wait for the installation to continue. Let's check if it's working properly. Allow all the required permissions and tap on Done. As you can see, GCam for Samsung is working perfectly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.